Molecules of life.
Lipids are biological molecules, but not polymers. There are two types of lipids, saturated and unsaturated. Okay, some examples of food would be fats, oils, waxes, drinks, and yeah, those are some examples. Okay, avocado and butter are also some types of examples for lipids.
Nucleic acid is a biological polymer, and the main function of it is to store and transfer genetic information in genes and stuff. Like most of the stuff that people require, like how they're going to look later on, and physical traits and stuff. And two examples are DNA and RNA. DNA is like a double-stranded ladder thingy of genetic information. RNA is only one strand, and elements needed by your body to make nucleic acids come from the food that you eat. Okay, the main function of nucleic acids is to pass along genes. And genes are basically how you're supposed to look like, physical body type and stuff. And here we've got genes, and we're going to show you guys how nucleic acids pass around genes. Everyone wants to pass out the genes. Coming. Ready? Okay, so Tahera, you stand right there. Ayesha, come on. Let's start this game. Blue eyes, green eyes, brown eyes, ugly hair, dark skin. Saja. Sorry. Hello everybody and welcome to Cooking with Carbohydrates. Today we are going to make carb soup. Now, this is how you make it. First, you take a very big pot, big enough to stuff a baby inside. Of course, you need a slice too, to cover it in vegetables. Now, you take pasta number 1 and put it right here. And then you take pasta number 2 and you put it right here. And yes, you do have to keep the plastic. Then you take the crackers. They're very yummy. And you put them right here. Okay? And then you take the cornstarch. Lots and lots and lots of carbs in here. Stuff it right there. You take these peanuts. What lovely peanuts. They're carbs, right? You have carbs, right?
What? Who? Yeah, sure.
Let's stuff it here. And now for one of my favorite ingredients, hummus! Everybody look at this beautiful hummus. Yes. It's hummus. It's amazing. And that's this hummus. Now,
You don't have to do that. It has a zoom thing.
Put it in the jar. And now you take some bread and you stuff it in there too. And of course you cannot forget the simple sugar, the yummy, very yummy gummy marshmallow. And then you close it. And then you take it and you begin to boil it, even though we're not going to put water because it's dangerous and it can damage the plastic and the cardboard. And so you pour it, except it's wet, so we're not going to pour it. Because water is very dangerous because it'll melt the cardboard.
We get the point.
Okay. And so, after it's done boiling, you put it in plates, except I'm going to eat it all myself, so you don't have to use plates. And that's how you make carb soup. Thank you. Thank you for coming to the set of stuff. And good night.
Look, that's us. Look, you can see us.
I am the one, the only, the all-powerful, giant food molecule, and nobody can destroy me. We are the enzymes, and we can defeat you. Die, break down, break down. Wait, I survived. No, you shall not survive. We shall bring you down. No. Yeah. We have defeated her. Yes. I will come back. She shall not come back ever. Come back. I am a natural polymer because I am a protein. Proteins can be found almost everywhere in your body. They're in your organs, they're in your blood, they're on your fingernails, and they're on your hair. So proteins make up everything. Okay, now, an example of a polymer would be the actual protein. An example of a monomer would be an amino acid. Now, we have 11 types of amino acids in our body, but we need 9 more to complete all 20 of those that we need in our body. So we eat different kinds of food, like beans and meat and fish and blah 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 blah. So there, the end. Thank you. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are a type of organic molecule. There's 2 types, complex and simple. Complex is the kind that comes in pasta, spaghetti, bread, you know, those type of things. And so they give you energy for a longer period of time. But when you eat candy and junk food and stuff like that, you will get energy, but not for very long, because those are simple ones. And they're broken down very, very easily. So you won't have energy for a very long time. And so that is why complex is better than simple. An example of a polymer would be the carbohydrate. An example of a monomer would be, let's say, the starches. So yeah, that's it.